Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Jagtap. In front of all of you, I'm presenting the Economics Time newspaper headlines. So, first of all, disclosure norms. FPI may get 3 months to cut exposure. Next, Nifty likely to continue run head towards 19,700. Next, India set to be number one wearable market in 2023. Next, Ajit Pawar becomes deputy CM of Maharashtra again. Next, Cookie Groups lift 2 month blockade on NH2 allow supplies. Next, cryptocurrency investors trading threatening with caution aimed recovery sign. Next, Rashtriya Raksha Varsity to set up study center on PLA. Next, Akhilesh at AD event. Shah says BJP AD read up on SP. Next, FPI deluge foreign investors buy big in India. Next, end of season sale sees big discounts. Next, High Court stays reassessment of creations investment. Next, CSR spends higher but impact limited MCA. Next, VCs keep purse strings tight despite raising more capital. Next, PSB shall we deal to sell pharmaco loans to NARCL. Next, reading paywall may hurt Twitter revenue experts. On page number 2 in politics section, in that Ajit Pawar is Maharashtra Deputy CM again. Call it googly, Yorker or hit wicket. Next, 8 NCP MLA, many of them senior powers close aides joint government. Next, no split, party discipline violated, worried about future of rebels. Next, Dada seek to assert his power in Maharashtra. Next, BJP next plan, Thorat opposition challenge in other states too. Next, NCP appoints Awad chief whip LOP. Next, latest Maharashtra developments follow. Rijik buzz at center. On page number 4 in pure politics section, in that Cookie Group lift NS2 blockade allow supplies. Next, Rashtriya Raksha University get approval to set up Center for Studying Chinese Army. Next, BJP AD alliance read UP of divisive SP BSP Shah. Next, Akhilesh attains Apna Dal K event calls for caste census. Next, Reddy likely to meet Modi Shah in Delhi on July 5. Next, BJP faces opposition from allies in Northeast has uniform civil code. On page number 5 in brand section, in that friends may have a bigger influence on Gen Z when they step out to shop. Next, no end to retailers travels even with end of season sales. On page number 6 in smart investing section, in that growth to slow in S2 help financial stability. Next, general insurer face tough choice of pushing growth and certaining margins. Next, SBI offers cardless cash facility for all bank users. Next, Bank of Baroda plans to divest up to 49% stake in credit card business arm. Next, NSE explorers carbon credit market, electricity derivatives to deepen portfolio. Next, this will be India's decade. BCG India chief. Next, PSB Selve deal to search. Again, I am repeating, PSB Selve deal to sell drug co loans to NARCL. Next, Indian crypto traders. Next, GSCL directors fail to get enough votes to be reappointed. On page number 8 in disruption section, in that VC keep purse strings tight despite raising more capital. Next, Indian Indian team behind ServiceNow Gen AI Solutions says CTO. Next, Buck puts 2 lakh WordPress sites has at risk. Next, ETS leads latest funding round in global study abroad co leverage education. Next, Musk paywall may hurt Twitter revenue and users, say experts. Next, TSMC facing $70 million ransom demand. Go. Next, Twitter reveal Blue Sky stops new sign up. Next, Spotify to test full length music video. Next, Reddit users exit apps with heartfelt posts. Next, Meta's Twitter clone briefly appeared on the Play Store. Next, uncensored chatbots provoke all new free speech fracas. Next, why Apple's $3 trillion valuation is not about Vision Pro headset. On page number 9 in economy section in that CSR spending up but impact limited. Next, geotagging may become must for GST registrations. Next, High Court stays IT reassessment of PE creations investment. Next, 70% of trilateral highway work complete Gadkari. Next, LPG shipments to draw customs duty of 15% and farm cess of equal amount. Next, banks net interest margin up report. Next, rupees 2000 note Delhi High Court order on PLI likely today. Next, diesel sales declined 3.7% in June, petrol sales up 3.4%. Next, Mundra report anchors one of longest container ship. Next, all on track, Rapidex to start operation soon. On page number 10 in companies section in that blues of green rolls, India INC increase struggles. India INC struggles with ESG talent gap. Next, focus on ultimate beneficial owners. On page number 11 in around the world section in that CIA chief calls war in Ukraine corrosive for Putin's regime. Next, Kiwi under fresh drone attack. Next, France riots less intense overnight, fewer arrested. Next, French measure say rioters rammed into his house. Next, elephant returns to Thailand after abuse allegation in Sri Lanka. Next, seven arrested in Switzerland after violation inspired by French riots. Next, Baltimore mass shooting leaves 2 deaths and 28 injured police. Next, Indian market different. Next, after fall of Roy, conservatives focus on abortions in Africa. On page number 12 in edit page section in that we can now bank on our banks. Next, conquer empty self-learning. Next, a direct observation. Next, France attacked by a 20th century blight. Next, some oats some odd bits in our auditing. Next, teething issues still plague GST. Next, those masters in bachelor. Next, American graffiti on Indian walls. Next, politeness smartest tool in the toolkit on clarification. On page number 13 in Penacha section in that the health benefits of Tai Chi. Next, the super connector who built Bankman Fred's celebrity world. Next, PSG fan furry, no surprise says Messi. Next, stocked but not enough. England make an ash of it. Next, rights to George Louis Borges work go to his wife nephews. Next, China snap Japan run to win women's basketball Asia Cup title. Next, Adam Yatis wins Tour de France opener ahead of twin brother. Next, this is how stress is crushing over health. Next, Hungary D. Djokovic eyes 24th Grand Slam crown. Next, Verstappen win Australian Grand Flix extend series lead. On page number 14 in company section in that economic rational geopolitics driver of India's interest in chips. Next, AD giant Publix groupie open to acquisition here. Next, SEBI REIT invite plan confidence boost. Next, Maruti Suzuki's SUV sales accelerate. Next, growth to continue in FY24 TVS. On page number 19 in economic market in that support above 18,900 can take Nifty to 19,700. Next, a dollar 7.5 billion derivative trade shift to India as SGX tussle ends. Next, these stocks can gain over 20%. Next, after H1 rally win rally win US stocks July winning streak sustain. Next, this will be India's decade. Stars are well aligned. Next, Maruti Suzuki SUV sale accelerate. Next, General Insurance face tough choice on pushing growth and sustainability margins. Next, SEBI REIT invite plan a confidence booster for retail investors. Next, Indian crypto traders wait to break even in bull run. That much for today. Thanks for watching.